Hi, this is Nausheen Husain from Niren Associates Immigration Lawyers. If you are a skilled worker looking to potentially immigrate to Canada, there are many options available to you. One option is the Federal Skilled Worker category for immigration. This category is based on a point system. To be eligible, you must score at least 67 points based on 6 selection factors: education, age, adaptability in Canada, work experience in the last 10 years, language proficiency in English and/or French, and an offer of arranged employment. Before you assess your case, however, you must meet basic criteria in order to be eligible. Either you have a valid offer of arranged employment in a skilled profession, you are a skilled worker with at least 1 year full-time continuous work experience or the equivalent in one of the 29 list of occupations that you can find on the CSU website or our website, or you are a PhD student currently enrolled or graduated in the last 12 months from a recognized institution in Canada, and you meet other criteria as well. In regards to the selection factors for the Federal Skilled Worker application, it's important that you have your case assessed by a knowledgeable and experienced immigration lawyer such as myself or another associate at Niren Associates, even if you feel that you would score 67 points or more. It's important that your application be prepared correctly, include the appropriate documentation to accurately present your case to an immigration officer. For example, a frequent case that we see at Niren Associates is someone who thinks that they would score a certain amount of points, let's say based on education, but an immigration officer does not agree, based on equivalency in Canada. Therefore, it's very important that you obtain proper legal advice to see how many points you'd likely get and what documentation you should include in your application to argue the maximum points for your application. Also, a frequent issue that we see as well is job reference letters and employment offer letters that do not include sufficient information for an immigration officer to assess the case. Therefore, again, it's incredibly important that you obtain proper legal advice and you hire a lawyer who can help you prepare the documentation as well.